This is gonna blow your mind. Welcome to Top Gun 0512. Ever wonder how airlines actually make money? You might think it's from those expensive plane tickets, but the truth is far more interesting. In this video, we're gonna dive deep into the fascinating world of airline economics, exposing the clever strategies and hidden revenue streams that keep these aviation giants afloat. From sneaky fees to billion-dollar loyalty programs, get ready to uncover the secrets behind how airlines really turn a profit. I bet you didn't know how airlines really make their money. You'd think with the cost of fuel, maintenance, and those tiny bags of peanuts, airlines would be rolling in dough from ticket sales alone. But the reality is, it's not always that simple. See, airlines operate on razor-thin profit margins. In fact, a good chunk of the time, the base fare you pay for a ticket barely covers the cost of getting you from point A to point B. So how do they make up the difference? Well, that's where things get interesting. Airlines have become masters at maximizing revenue through something called dynamic pricing. Remember those times you searched for a flight and the price magically jumped up a few hours later? That's dynamic pricing in action. These sophisticated algorithms track demand, competitor pricing, and even your browsing history to adjust prices in real time. They know when you're desperate for a last-minute flight, or if you've been eyeing a particular route, and trust me, they'll use that information to their advantage. But that's just the tip of the iceberg. I bet you didn't know how much airlines make from hidden fees, but in the airline industry, they're as common as those tiny bottles of shampoo in hotel rooms. We're talking about those pesky baggage fees, seat selection charges, and even the price for extra legroom. You might think these are just minor inconveniences, but for airlines, they're a goldmine. In fact, ancillary revenue, which includes all those extra fees and services, has become a massive profit center for airlines, especially budget carriers. Think about it, you've already shelled out hundreds for the base fare, so what's an extra $50 to check your bag or $20 to pick your seat? For airlines, it's a no-brainer. They're essentially selling you convenience and peace of mind, and let's be real, sometimes it's worth it to avoid the hassle. But it doesn't stop there. Some airlines take it even further with premium economy seats, early boarding options, and even in-flight Wi-Fi packages. These add-ons might seem small, but they can quickly add up to a significant chunk of an airline's revenue. I don't think people understand how airlines make a killing from something you rarely even see: cargo. That's right, those massive planes aren't just transporting passengers, they're also hauling tons of goods around the world. From electronics and clothing to perishable goods and even live animals, cargo is a multi-billion-dollar industry, and airlines are cashing in. In fact, for some airlines, cargo revenue can account for a significant portion of their overall profits, sometimes even exceeding passenger revenue. Think about it. Cargo doesn't complain about legroom, doesn't need in-flight entertainment, and definitely doesn't ask for a free upgrade. It's a reliable and often lucrative revenue stream that plays a crucial role in the airline business model. And it's not just about shipping goods from one place to another. Airlines are also getting into the logistics game, offering warehousing, customs brokerage, and other value-added services. You need to hear this if you're a frequent flyer. Let's talk about those frequent flyer programs we all know, and let's be honest, sometimes love to hate. You know, the ones where you rack up miles and points in hopes of scoring a free flight or an upgrade. Well, those programs aren't just about rewarding loyal customers. They're a brilliant business strategy that generates billions of dollars for airlines. Here's how it works. Airlines partner with banks and credit card companies to offer co-branded credit cards. Every time you swipe your card, you earn miles or points that you can redeem for flights, upgrades, and other perks. But here's the kicker. The banks actually buy those miles from the airlines in bulk at a discounted rate. So, the airlines get a huge influx of cash up front, and in return, they provide free flights and upgrades to cardholders. It's a win-win for the airlines and the banks, but it also creates a powerful incentive for travelers to stay loyal to a particular airline and its partners. And let's not forget about the value of those miles and points. Airlines can adjust the cost of rewards, making it harder or easier to redeem them based on demand and other factors. This is why you need to understand airline partnerships and alliances. In the world of aviation, it's all about who you know. And when it comes to maximizing profits, airlines have learned that teamwork really does make the dream work. Enter airline partnerships and alliances. These strategic collaborations allow airlines to expand their reach, share resources, and ultimately, boost their bottom line. Think about it. Instead of competing head-to-head on every single route, airlines can partner up and offer code-share flights where they sell tickets on each other's planes. This allows them to tap into new markets, offer more flight options to passengers, and maximize the occupancy of their planes. But it's not just about sharing passengers. Alliances also allow airlines to pool their resources, such as maintenance facilities, ground handling services, and even pilot training programs. This helps reduce costs and improve efficiency, which ultimately benefits both the airlines and their passengers. And let's not forget about the perks for frequent flyers. Alliances often allow members to earn and redeem miles or points across multiple airlines, giving them more flexibility and value. Are you surprised to learn that airlines don't always own those shiny planes they fly around the world? But that's not always the case. In fact, many airlines lease a significant portion of their fleet, which helps them manage costs and stay flexible. Think about it. Buying a brand new aircraft is a massive investment costing hundreds of millions of dollars. Leasing, on the other hand, allows airlines to spread those costs over time and avoid the upfront capital expenditure. Plus, it gives them the flexibility to adjust their fleet size based on demand, seasonal fluctuations, or even changes in their route network. But it's not just about leasing new planes. Airlines also lease older aircraft to other carriers, generating additional revenue from assets that might otherwise be sitting idle. And then there's the whole world of aircraft maintenance. Airlines often have agreements with specialized maintenance providers to handle routine inspections, repairs, and overhauls. This helps them ensure the safety and reliability of their fleet, while also outsourcing some of the costs and complexities of aircraft maintenance. If you're a frequent flyer, then you need to understand the complex and often surprising world of airline economics. From dynamic pricing and hidden fees to cargo revenue and billion-dollar loyalty programs, airlines have become masters at maximizing profits and keeping those planes in the air. Which airline business trick surprised you the most? Comment below. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, subscribe, and visit our channel for more aviation content. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, and share for more.